What's going on, everyone? We are in Kyoto right now. We're just at the train station. We just got here from Tokyo. We took the Shinkansen. It was about 2 hours and the cost was $100 a person. They're bullet trains, so they go like 200 to 300 miles an hour and they just fly smooth as butter. And we're gonna be spending the next 4 days out in Kyoto. One thing I did want to mention is that if you're heading to Japan anytime soon, is to definitely grab a JR pass. The JR pass is one of the rail lines here, and if you're planning on moving around at all, it'll save you tons of money. It'll be a lot more convenient. So it would have saved us probably a couple $100 just because we went all the way to Kyoto. We're gonna go back to Tokyo to get back home. You can also use the JR pass on some of the, the local lines in Tokyo, in the city. Are at our new Airbnb, which is on this beautiful, peaceful little river. This place is absolutely incredible, super traditional, super nice. I figure the best thing to do for most of this vlog is just to give a tour of our house for the next 4 nights. Right now, prices in Japan are super cheap. We paid about $1,000 for the 4 nights, but I think you can have up to like 5 or 6 people stay here. There's 3 of us, which still is super cheap. That's basically $80 per person per night for only 3 of us. I honestly think for the location, for how nice it is, it would have been at least $1,500, $2,000, not $1,000. So this first little entrance area where you take your shoes off, very standard for Japanese homes, but this is just really big. So you walk into the actual home, you've got this cute little living area, super high ceilings, so that's really unique. Pretty updated, pretty nice kitchen area. This is very standard for Japan. There's a fridge, microwave, electric stove, and this looks like a little oven. It's like a little fryer for meat and stuff and fish. And you got the traditional Japanese toilet room. If you haven't been to Japan before, this is the coolest thing about these toilets. I mean, first of all, they're heated toilets. Like this is warm all the time, which is really nice. It's got the bidet features right here, which some people are kind of weirded out by, but I absolutely love. And what's cool is when you flush the toilet, this water runs. So this is the water that goes in to fill the next flush, and you can rinse or wash your hands in this, so it kind of acts as a double feature, which is pretty cool. Okay, this is the main bathroom area. It's like a washer dryer combo right here. Really nice sink with plenty of amenities. This is an awesome bath shower room. Go down the hall. This is what room is this?
The living room?
I don't know.
This is the dining room?
I mean, it's a tatami floored, low table. There's a television, so I think you can do a bunch of different things in here. This sliding door back here, which goes to, is just basically a corner. It's cool because every inch of the space of this Airbnb has just been created very intentionally, and even this back corner they converted into this beautiful area. Now we're gonna go upstairs, and we have our first bedroom, which is this very traditional tatami futon bed paired with a fun, interesting little room with chairs, which might serve as a good workstation or just a little lounge corner. And if you go under this thing, now you see the kitchen below. And now we go to the second bedroom. Pretty standard, just 2 beds. There's even a little window in here that you can look down at the Gekkan. And that's pretty much it for this place. This is really big considered like the size of most Japanese apartments. And again, for the price, it was just super hard to pass, as this is like a perfect location. There's more than 2 of us. So for those looking at Kyoto, definitely look into Airbnbs. Right now you can get such a good deal like this beautiful traditional house for so cheap. Prices this low I don't think are gonna last this long. It's kind of crazy how low all of the accommodation options are, because I don't think you could have gotten a place like on the river, central Kyoto, 2 stories. I don't think you could have done that before COVID. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. Stick along for the ride if you made it to the end of this video. Thanks again, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.